Hello everybody, this is Sue G, back once again, Nuban Science Channel. Presentation presented by the Anthropos Group, and as promised, we are going to get into some more material. Before I begin, I want to say that I'm not an attorney. We don't practice law. We don't produce legal documents. Everything that we are doing from this channel is for educational purposes only. With that being said, let's get into it. In the previous videos, we talked a little bit about the oath of office, the accusation system. In this particular video, I want to pick up from there, and I want to get into the charge process. So basically, when you are charged from an officer of accusation, and that process is ran through the judicial system, the outcome actually, in essence, becomes a lien. And I want to read the formal definition of that because I think it's important to provide clarity when I discuss something with my audience. So basically, a charge or security or encumbrance upon property. 2, a claim or charge on property for payment of some debt. So this is what I want to get into. Is the system actually, in essence, has created a process to do debt extraction from what's perceived to be a public safety officer that we've already established is not operating under constitutional or legal or lawful rather authority, which is according to 4 U.S.C. 101, which is the oath of office. So basically, you have an instrument that's a part of a system that uses an accusation, right? And then from the accusation, it uses a document instrument. We covered that. From that process, then that's placed into the judicial system, and from that process, you get a charge back, which we had also discussed, which creates a lien against your personal property, which is the natural person. So in essence, to sum it up real quick, that's how the charge process is actually working. And as we get into the other videos, I want to elaborate more and more and explain or elucidate this process to my audience in hopes of putting information out to where people can understand it. So we'll get ready to do the next video. This is part 1.